Capital here, back for another video. So today is going to be my top 5 altcoin earners for the last month. So I went through my portfolios. I have numerous. Not that I'm rich or anything by any means, but I do have portfolios. I'm a couple different brokerages. So I went through and basically tried to figure out what were my top 5 earners for the past month. A little bit more than a month, so maybe like the last month and a half, just because the last week or two has been unnecessarily crazy. So yeah, and these top 5 coins were VeChain, Harmony, Mana or Decentraland, Polygon or Matic as it's going by now, and Solana. So I'm just going to go through these, and I'm sure that some people that are more intermediate, or expert level with knowledge in the crypto space, I'm sure some of you guys know about these coins already. So if these are coins that you already know about, then this video may not interest you. But for my videos are more geared toward people that are newer in the space. I have been in the space for less than a year, and I've spent a lot of time and effort and research, in the crypto space. So I just want to try to relay this information, and hopefully this can help someone that's newer in the space. Because I know that when I was new in the space, I definitely was on YouTube scouring, people's videos, trying to find information. I just couldn't stop. Like, I didn't want to stop learning about new projects, and these were some that I had definitely learned about from other influencers on YouTube and people that I look up to and see as role models on YouTube. And yeah, guys, so these are my top 5 earners. Obviously, Ethereum and big caps. I have earned more with Ethereum. But I really can't even call Ethereum an altcoin anymore. I think Ethereum is solidified a top project, and it's a big cap. I did want to start off, however, just on CoinDesk here. So let's just take, or no, I'm sorry, CoinMarketCap, and I just want to take a quick look through the market right here and see what's going on. So Bitcoin's up a little bit in the past 24 hours, down obviously the whole Elon situation. Ethereum still holding strong. I'm getting more bullish on Ethereum every day, guys, and I highly recommend. Again, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please take everything I say with a grain of salt, and these are all just opinions. Whatever I state in this video, it is not financial advice. But Ethereum is definitely, it's on my list, and it's definitely one of my favorites. Look, if you look at Ethereum, the past 7 days up 18%, just today up 8%. It rebounded really, really, really well from this flash crash or this Elon crash we had over the weekend. Ethereum's really shown its strength, and it just keeps going up. And yeah, guys, so Binance Coin back up over 600, up a little bit today, up 5% today, down on the week, but still holding strong. Dogecoin had a very big rebound today, up 14% at 55 cents, down 20% on the week. Again, another coin that was hammered by Elon's, just weird stuff that Elon says. Cardano up to $2 now, up 6% today and 23% on the week. So Cardano is another one of my top earners, but again, I'm trying to not include big caps because they're just obvious picks for people. Most people know about big caps, and especially the top 10, top 20. Tether, stablecoin, XRP is up. I'm not an XRP holder. I'm just waiting for the lawsuit to get figured out. Polkadot up 16% today and 19% in the week. So Polkadot is showing a lot of strength, and Polkadot, is definitely one of my top picks for a huge pump. Polkadot hasn't pumped through this altcoin season yet, and I really see a bright future for Polkadot. Internet Computer, number 9. Very strange. I did not know that was in the top 10 now. Bitcoin Cash, disregard. Uniswap up a little bit. Litecoin up a little bit today. So today has been a very good day. Ethereum Classic up 21% today. I don't understand really what's going on with Ethereum Classic. I do hold a little bit, but yeah, guys, let's just get into it. So VeChain, Solana, number 17 and 18 here, holding pretty strong. Matic up 46% today, 47%, guys, and that is a coin I am covering today. So let's just get into it. So VeChain is and these are not in any particular order, guys, just FYI. VeChain, we'll start with VeChain. So this is a Chinese project. Not that that really matters, but I just want to put it out there. I'm sure to some people, some people might not want to support a Chinese project. I personally don't care. I'm in this business to make money. so it doesn't matter to me. So it's sitting at 17 cents, about 18 cents, down 13% on the day for VeChain. Not a big deal. So if we look at the 7-day chart here, basically been consolidating, trading flat. If we look at the monthly, though, that's what's more interesting, and the 3-month here. We've seen steady growth over the last 3 months. 3 months ago in February, the coin was at 5 cents, and we had a high of about 25 cents in the middle of April. So let's just get into a little bit here. I do have, just things I want to read through, describing the coin and breaking it down for a newcomer. So VeChain provides blockchain solutions for businesses around the globe, with plenty of existing industry blockchain applications, from supply chain management to anti-counterfeiting and carbon credits. Their systems have been proven in the real world. VET is a coin that underpins VeChain, where VTHOR is a gas token that's used for transactions on the Ethereum, or on the VeChain Thor blockchain, like Ethereum's gas. Introduction: VeChain is a company established in 2015 that provides blockchain-based solutions for businesses by leveraging the power of its VeChain Thor blockchain. The company has deep ties to the Chinese industry and government and seeks to strengthen these bonds further. So I do want to touch on that, guys, and that is more important than you would think. Just this sentence here, if I could highlight it. So VeChain, I'm not going to go into detail about who their developers are and everything because that might bore you, but they have strong ties to the Chinese government, which is huge. So as of right now, I believe buying crypto in China is kind of outlawed, or it's illegal, because they basically have full control over their internet in China. So, being that VeChain has ties to the government, once they legalize crypto and open up the market in China, which they will, they're testing the digital Chinese yuan right now, which is a form of cryptocurrency. So once they legalize it, I believe that they're going to keep the reins around people and make it so they can only invest in other Chinese projects. And with VeChain having ties to the Chinese government, that is really bullish for the project. Like imagine basically the entire country of China that's into crypto. And VeChain would be one of their best and only options. So, that just shows really, really huge upside potential. Again, the coin is trading at 18 cents right now, guys. Really cheap to get in. It's kind of in the same price range around with Doge, you know what I mean? Similar thing. So, what is VeChain? I'm just going to go over a little bit more here. I'm not going to go into super detail. Introduced in 2015 as part of a Shanghai-based blockchain as a service company, Bitsy. VeChain is a distributed business ecosystem leveraging blockchain technology. It's specifically designed to be used by both small and big businesses. VeChain's public blockchain is called VeChain Thor. The VeChain Foundation is founded in Singapore and oversees the development, government, and advancement of the VeChain ecosystem. How it works. The VeChain Thor blockchain works similarly to other business use blockchain platforms. Businesses use VeChain's fully functional blockchain as a service, or BaaS, project called Toolchain to build their blockchain-based solutions. VeChain Thor also supports smart contracts. So that's important. They support smart contracts, which probably are the future. Single transactions on the VeChain Thor blockchain can carry out multiple tasks. In addition, VeChain app users don't need to hold any crypto to perform transactions. This can be done instead by the app owners, which can make the user experience more convenient for the average user. The VeChain Thor blockchain uses POA, or proof of authority consensus, which delegates power to certain nodes in the VeChain Thor blockchain for confirming transactions. That means that it only passes transactional blocks through authority master nodes that need to hold at least 25 million VET. So yeah, guys, I'm going to just go on to the next one here. I don't want this video to be too long, but yeah, VeChain is one of my top earners, and it is down a little bit, but the market is in disarray. I'm not worried about it. I'm sure VeChain will bounce back, and yeah, it is highly recommended by me. So let's move on to the next one. So the next coin is Harmony. The ticker is the word 1. So trading at 10 cents right now, down 11%. Again, partly why I'm making this video now is to show you guys these coins are in dips right now, and they're amazing buys. VeChain down 13%, almost 14% today. It's a great buy right now. Harmony 1. Oh, okay. I didn't even realize, guys. Oops, I had these. I had these from earlier, so let me actually just go through and refresh them so they're all correct. Pardon me. Solana, coin market cap. Sorry about that, guys. I'm not prepared, I guess. All right, so VeChain trading at 18, almost 19 cents. Big whoop, but still down today. Still a good buy. All right, so Harmony, which is up 2% today, trading 11 cents, is one of my next top earners. So if we look at the 7-day chart, consolidating, was up to, about 15 cents last week. On the monthly chart, consolidating as well, higher lows, which is good. The 3-month chart, if we go back to February here, it was trading at 3 cents, guys, and we hit a high in the middle of March of 20 cents. So that's big profits. Let's just get into a little bit about what Harmony is. So, what is Harmony? Launched as part of the initial exchange offering, or the IEO, on the Binance Launchpad. So it is a Binance project. In May 2019, Harmony 1 is a decentralized blockchain platform designed as a bridge between scalability and decentralization efforts. Its development went under the motto of decentralization at scale, with the focus on data sharing and the creation of marketplaces of fungible tokens and non-fungible assets. Furthermore, Harmony comes with an additional promise of delivering high throughput accompanied by 2 lows, latency and fees. Combined, they are supposed to put the platform at the heart of efforts to lay the foundation of the future decentralized trustless economies. Prior to the IEO, Harmony started out as a startup in 2018. Its fundraising project managed to raise $18 million in April 2019, drawing attention from multiple investors such as Silicon Valley's Consensus Capital, Hong Kong's Lemnicap VC, and others. More than 2.8 billion of its ONE tokens were purchased by investors, with 12.6 billion of them set aside for pre-mining. To investors, Harmony promises access to an ecosystem which will support its adoption across various markets, with the focus on data sharing, decentralized marketplaces, supply chain tracking, ad exchanges, credit rating systems, and gaming. What is Harmony token trying to achieve? Harmony's development focused on the idea that no platform has achieved a satisfying degree of balance between decentralization and scalability, as explained in the project's white paper. Based on this, it promises to deliver the goods on the following goals. So I'm just going to go through these and we'll move on to the next one, guys. I do find Harmony a very interesting project, so just listen up here. So Harmony wants to get rid of structural limitations preventing the cryptocurrencies from becoming genuine digital money, which I find this very interesting. This primarily refers to the scalability problems such as that faced by Bitcoin, whose increased popularity created performance and brought about increased costs of the use of its payment system. Instead of this, Harmony will implement deep sharding technology, which covers not only the transaction validation and network communication, but the blockchain state as well. Its bid for full scalability is based on getting rid of the modular approach and trying to solve consensus on scale. This includes optimizations, which are being added across multiple layers of consensus algorithms, networking, and systems to improve performance without hurting decentralization. Higher transaction throughput is what should set Harmony apart from the likes of Ethereum and other blockchain solutions, which are forced to achieve performance gains by sacrificing other features. Harmony developers describe competing solutions as unable to resolve scalability issues or provide support for applications which require high throughput performance, such as with gaming or decentralized exchanges. Similarly, blockchains such as EOS or IOTA tried replacing consensus models and introducing new tech such as DAG or directed acyclic acyclic graph. All of these came at the expense of security and or decentralization, which Harmony aims to preserve by creating shards of validators that would be able to process transactions simultaneously. Based on this, the total transaction throughput should increase in a linear manner and in parallel with the growth in the number of shards. In September 2018, Harmony's testnet managed to achieve 118,000 TPS with some 44,000 nodes, with the hope to close the gap to Visa's 2,000 TPS on a daily basis. Harmony's consensus protocol goes for speed and energy efficiency. So this is another very interesting part, being that Elon Musk was just basically bashing Bitcoin over its not being energy efficient. So much of Harmony's scalability and throughput promises rest on the ability of its fast Byzantine fault tolerant protocol, or the FBFT, to employ parallel transactions processing to scale with the size of the network and effectively tackle its connection latency. Its network topology is designed to enable for faster consensus, reaching, and message exchange. At the same time, Harmony features a kernel designed to run its protocol in a manner which allows a wider range of devices to participate in the consensus building, thus strengthening its decentralization. The deep sharding process itself relies on adaptive proof of stake model based on distributed distributed randomness generation (DRG) procedure, which is described as secure, easily verifiable, and scalable. So yeah, I'm not going to go into too much more detail, guys, but basically Harmony is trying to change the game. You know, they can be compared to projects like IOTA or EOS. You know, so they really want to be able to try to develop a real currency and make it truly decentralized and fix some of the problems that Bitcoin had. So on to the next one here, guys. Decentraland or Mana coin. So today is up 0.82%, trading at about 130. If we look at the 7-day chart, been consolidating monthly. It's been consolidating as well, building higher lows, which is good. The 3-month chart is very interesting as well. That's pretty much the trend for all these coins. You know, the last maybe like month or so has been kind of shaky in the market. So, but back in February, the end of February, the coin was trading at 31 cents, and now it's trading at $1.30. So it's gone up $1 in just 3 months. So you know, this is the coin that's used on the Decentraland game. It's the main currency. You know, it's again one of my top earners. Currently, it's lagging a little bit behind, but it's still one of my top earners. So that, you know, that speaks volumes. You know, I do play the Decentraland game. I'm very involved with it. I do my mining every day, and I think, you know, it's a great opportunity, especially for someone that just, you know, I view it as like a side hustle. You know, eventually the mining materials that you mine on the game can be translated into mana coins, which are worth $1.30 each. You know, so I'll briefly go over it. You know, the concept of mana is very simple, but Decentraland Mana is an Ethereum-based blockchain platform where users can purchase, build, and monetize virtual reality applications. Users can purchase virtual land in the platform's world, which gives them ownership and control over the environment and applications they create within their land. So yeah, basically the point of Decentraland is you mine for materials and you basically create resources, which like clothes, for example, you know, or add-ons, which are NFTs, and you can sell them for mana. So basically, by grinding the game, you're able to get resources that turn into real money. So I think that's very interesting, and I think it's a concept that is going to definitely spread out into the gaming world. Decentraland was one of the first projects to, you know, experiment with this type of idea, and I think it's great. So created in 2015 by Ari Milik and Esteban Ordano, Decentraland started as a simple pixelated grid that allocated pixels to users through a proof-of-work algorithm. Decentraland has since then evolved into a new 3D world in which users utilize 2 tokens to interact with the platform and purchase land, goods, and services in-world. It is divided into a limited number of parcels known as land, LA, and that's represented as by a non-fungible ERC token. So the parcels of land that you buy are actually a separate token, which I did not know, actually, which can be purchased with mana and ERC20 token. So it is on the Ethereum chain. The owners of each parcel of land are provided full creative freedom within their parcels and receive all income generated by their creations. So yeah, you know, there have been companies and projects that have built stuff in Decentraland, and you know, you can buy NFTs in there, and there's certain things you can do. And yeah, if it happens on your land, you make the profits from it. So I do find that concept very interesting. I do think Decentraland is going to continue to grow in the future, and I hope it does. So how does Decentraland work? The vision: Decentraland is an Ethereum-based virtual reality blockchain platform where users can purchase, build, and monetize applications. Decentraland is a 3D world in which users utilize 2 tokens to interact with the platform. We already covered that. So let's see here. Transaction processing. Yeah, so it's all on the Ethereum chain. I'll leave it at that, guys. It is pretty simple, but again, one of my top earners, and I do suggest I have a separate video actually as a beginner's guide to how to get started in Decentraland. So if you guys want to check that out, I will link that below. If not, you can find it in my videos. So next, and this is definitely not least, even though it's not last, definitely not least. So Polygon, which was the old name, its new name is Matic, trading at 158 right now, up a whopping 47% today, guys. So you know, if you see that number and you're feeling FOMO, you should, and I highly suggest you get into this project now. You know, it's been booming lately. Let's look at the 7-day chart. So even the 7-day chart, look at this, it's steady, and this is through a rough week. This is a steady climb through a really, really tough week. 1-month chart, another steady climb through a rough patch. 3-month chart, middle of February, the coin was trading at 10 cents. Now, guys, we're trading at about 160. I mean, this is just astronomical growth. So let's see here if we can find some information. So Polygon or Matic is on the Ethereum chain. It is DeFi. Let's see here. So Ethereum is the blockchain development platform of choice, but it has limitations: low throughput, poor gas fees, no sovereignty. Many projects are exploring Ethereum-compatible blockchains as a way to mitigate these limitations while still leveraging Ethereum's thriving ecosystem. However, there is no specialized framework to build such blockchains nor a protocol to connect them. This introduces significant development challenges and causes ecosystem fragmentation. So basically, Matic is proposing the problem, and now they're going to propose the solution. Polygon, a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, one-click deployment of preset blockchain networks, growing set of modules for developing custom networks, interoperability protocol for exchanging arbitrary messages with Ethereum and other blockchains, modular and optional security as service, and adapter modules for enabling interoperability for existing blockchain networks. So features: Polygon combines the best of Ethereum and sovereign blockchains into an attractive feature set built by developers for developers. So it's compatible with the ETH network, industry dominance, established tech stack, tools, languages. It has nice scalability, dedicated blockchain, scalable consensus algorithms, custom WASM execution environments, security, modular security as a service provided by either Ethereum or a pool of validators. It is very sovereign, interoperability. So I'm not going to go through all this, guys, because it does get a little bit complicated. But here's a couple. If you guys just want to read through this and pause, here are some projects that are using Polygon or Matic architecture. So there's Polymarket, Avagachi, Decentral Games, SportX, EasyFi, Neon District. So yeah, here's the project team here, guys. But yeah, I highly recommend Matic. Out of all these coins, I hate to put one at the top, but out of all these coins, if you're only going to buy one, I would suggest buying some Matic. It's very cheap, guys. The upside potential is huge. My personal price prediction, I will do that at the end, the price prediction for all these coins, guys. Again, I don't want to spoil it, and I kind of want you guys to watch the end of the video. But the last coin I'm going to talk about is Solana. So Solana currently trading at $42 a coin, $42.43, up 2.46% today. So on the 7-day chart, consolidating, rough patch. 1-month chart, a nice, making higher lows, slow growth. 3-month chart, it was trading at $7, guys. $8, $7 in the middle of February, and now we are up to $42 here. So, really, really big growth. The Solana is definitely one of my top earners. I hold it on Binance. So let's just go through a little bit of information about Solana, and I'll get to my price predictions. What is Solana? Solana is a web-scale blockchain that provides fast, secure, scalable, decentralized apps and marketplaces. The system currently supports 65,000 TPS transactions per second and 400 millisecond block times. The overarching goal of Solana software is to demonstrate that there is a possible set of software algorithms using the combination to create a blockchain. So this would allow transaction throughput to scale proportionally with network bandwidth, satisfying all properties of a blockchain: scalability, security, and decentralization. Furthermore, the system is able to support an upper bound of 710,000 transactions per second on a standard gigabyte network and 28 million transactions per second on a 40 gigabyte network. So very interesting, guys. The coin has a lot of potential. The network has a lot of potential. So background. The Solana platform was founded back in 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko. Yakovenko worked at Qualcomm before founding Solana. He has a wide range of experience with compression algorithms after his previous experience at Dropbox as a software engineer. Along with Eric Williams and Solana's CTO Greg Fitzgerald, they created a new process of dealing with traditional throughput problems that existed in the Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchains. They hope to create a trustless and distributed protocol that would allow for more scalability. The team currently is backed by experiences from top organizations in the world, including Apple, Qualcomm, Intel, Google, Microsoft, Twitter, Dropbox, and more. So pretty stacked developers here, guys. If you look at that list, they've poached people from pretty much every top company. The impact that Solana has created has also brought the attention of many investors that include Multicoin Capital, Foundation Capital, Slow Capital, CMCC Global, Abstract Ventures, and more. What type of consensus model does it use? So it is a proof of history coin. I'm not going to go too much into detail here, guys. I don't want to make it too complicated. But let's see here. How does Solana token work? Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to get into too much detail here, guys. But again, I will go through and do my price predictions now. So again, these are top five, my top five earners in no order for about the last month and a half. So VeChain, I'm gonna do a conservative and then a aggressive price prediction. So I'm going to do these based on the end of the summer, the fall, which is predicted to be the end of the bull run by some. So conservatively, by the end of the summer, I believe VeChain will be at $1.20, about between $1 and $1.20 conservatively. And aggressively, I would like to see VeChain over maybe about $2 to $2.50 by the end of the bull run. And again, those numbers could vary. Like it is, a big cap, and the price is still low, so I don't want to go too crazy with the price prediction just based on market cap. But yeah. So for Harmony is kind of a tricky one. I would say a conservative estimate for the end of this bull run, if we're assuming it would be this upcoming fall, I would hope to see Harmony around 80 cents to $1. And on an aggressive estimate, I would like to see $1.80 or $2 to about like $2.50 for Harmony. Those would be huge gains. So those would be, going up like 400 or 500% more. So, so for Decentraland Mana token, I would say a conservative estimate for Mana would be the end of the bull run. I would probably say $5 to $5.50 a coin, and then an aggressive estimate, I would say maybe $7.50 to $8. Those would be ideal for me. Polygon. I'm sorry, I keep calling it Polygon. Matic. I'm gonna call it Matic. Okay. Conservative estimate, I would say, would be about $4.50 to $5, and then an aggressive estimate would be, I would say, $7.25 to $8 in that range. I do see a lot of growth for Matic coming up. We've had insane growth already in 2021, so I don't see why it would need to stop. For Solana, conservatively, I would like to see Solana hit at least $80, between $80 and $85 by the end of this bull run conservatively, and aggressively I would like to see it hit over 100, between $100 and $110. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I did want to get this info out there. I know I did kind of go into more of the technicals, so if you are a beginner in the crypto space, I do apologize. But just a reminder, guys, I am going to be doing and following through with a small Ethereum giveaway at 50 subscribers. We're almost there. I believe the last time I checked, we're at 46 subscribers. So, let some of your friends know to sub, and I'm just going to be picking someone at random to give $25 worth of Ethereum away. And then at 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a random $50 Bitcoin giveaway. So as long as the person that I contact has a wallet, I'm going to send them the money. It's as simple as that. And if the person that I choose doesn't, I'm just going to go on to the next one until I find someone to give free money to. So, you guys might as well subscribe. Leave your thoughts on these coins in the channel. Let me know if you're holding any of these coins down below in the comments. Definitely leave a like on the video. It's much appreciated. Any support. Maybe share the video with someone that you think could use this information. So definitely subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be having a lot of content coming out. I am focusing on a lot of crypto stuff, also focusing on stock market and traditional finance stuff like GameStop, the GameStop and AMC situation now. I am going to be covering that. So, I have my hands in a couple baskets here. I'm very busy trying to stay on top of all of it and pump videos out to you guys and get information out to people that need it. I am passionate about finance and about crypto, and, when I was early on in this space, I really was reliant on people, especially people on YouTube and people that knew what they were talking about, and they've taught me a lot, so I just want to give back, and hopefully this video helps somebody, and if it did, definitely leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave your thoughts down below, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Thanks, and I hope you have the great rest of your day. Thank you.